A new day has come. Now, I won't bore you with my Celine Dion rendition, but I will tell you that Linux Mint has finally gotten a experimental version of Wayland is gone, aka Linux Mint is moving over to Wayland. So, what's been going on? Since Mint is generally the predictable desktop environment, it's been a little bit behind on the Wayland side. And up until recently, Wayland for Mint has been experimental, which means if you use it, it might cause the end of the world or break a machine. One of the two. But the next release of Mint around Christmas time or in December is going to have Wayland, but it's going to be mainstream. Now, it's going to support both sessions, X11, and they're still going to ship it as default. But if you're a Wayland lover, you're going to be able to choose Wayland. So, since experimental's disappearing, a couple of root apps now can launch as native Wayland client, which is great. And some of the more benefits for this now being on Wayland is HiDPI and better polish. So think crisper icons, cursor fixes, Chromium app fixes, that type of stuff, and full video acceleration and focus protection. So not having to worry about apps stealing your focus, and less crashes allegedly, and better window mapping and Wayland when it comes to multiple monitor and hardware KVM switches. Generally does tend to handle that a little better than X11 just in general. But something very interesting in the announcement was it's almost on par with X11. Not it is on par with X11, it's almost on par. Almost is doing a lot of heavy lifting in that sentence. So, what does this mean? A couple of things. It means that some legacy apps still need Xwayland, especially the apps out there that are only X11, so Xwayland can display them on Wayland. Bugs will be, Wayland problems are going to be treated as bugs to fix, not limitations. So they're not just going to say, oh, hey, it's Wayland, deal with it. Although there are architectural differences with Wayland, so interested to see how they're going to get around some of that. Normal desktop should be fine now, right? So it works well enough for full support. So the average person, average user, it should be working fine on par. But there's going to be edge cases. And this is not just a Mint Wayland thing. Depending who you ask, it could be a Wayland thing in general. So a lot of remote tools still just don't work properly or work at all. Some hardware combinations still need testing. And some graphics tablets might just not work at all. And it's also important to realize it's not the default yet. So what that means is I want to use this as a full release, get all that feedback, and see what happens. So the nice thing is they're not ready just yet to erase X11. So X11 for now stays with Mint, and why? There's a bunch of reasons for that, but a lot of it has to do with it's got better legacy support and some special workflows work a lot better, especially a lot of automation stuff, remote apps. Think X11 over SSH sessions, and think a lot of disability apps as well, because a lot of folks online have said that for some disability stuff, Wayland is not always necessarily the best option. And right now, it's still going to be a way before at least a year before they decide if they're going to fully move it over. So, interestingly, this does prove that Wayland is pretty much, it's there, it's out there, it's now even the more, I don't want to say stable distros, but the more daily distros for the average person are now using it. It's not just the Fedoras and the Ubuntus, Wabantus. It's, hey, average people also need better modern scaling on normal monitors and a bunch of other features. So I guess it's going to be interesting to see. And for the NVIDIA users, that support is included at least. And at least they've been more conservative as well. They didn't just go rush it in and break something for everyone and people need to suffer. So you can test it out and you don't have to worship it. So, aka, you can still fall the interim, fall back to X11. And at the moment, it's still experimental. So, if you can wait until December, until there's another sooner release, you can start moving it over and continue to use X11 until you don't need it. I look forward to seeing what's going to happen in maybe 2 or 3 years' time, if they're still going to include it at X11, but who knows? So, you still using X11? You and Wayland yet? You're a Mint user? You're not a Mint user? You're an X Libra user? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and bye for now.